Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today we're going to be taking a look at the another Finviz screener. Oh my god, and another Finviz screener. Okay, well, I will be talking about how to find beautiful stocks to buy too. So let's just get straight into it. And yeah, so first of all, you go on Finviz. If you don't know what it is, basically a screener that you can basically find a lot of beautiful stocks that you can trade, buy, or hold for the long term. But what you want to do is go on screener right here. You click on that. Then what you want to do here is go on all. Basically, I do it just like this. I put it on all. And look, this video will not be that long at all. Okay, I will just show you the filters because the market is not open at the moment. But yeah, so you can also be looking at. Okay. So first of all, you what I want to do is fill out the market cap. Okay, for the market cap, I personally put it into a plus mid. Okay, right here or over 2 billion. That is my that's my preference. I just want a more stock that have a lot of more market cap. If you feel me. Then like as you can see, you can put it large over 10 billion, and I sometimes put it as sometimes as custom above 1 billion, okay, or 2 billion, but yeah, but basically put it on 2 billion right there, over 2 billion. Then in here, like what you want to do is go and select the index at the S&P 500, okay. Then as you can see, we got a cutoff around 504 stocks. Mild, okay. So what you want to fill into this column right here is the target price, okay. And the target price will be above price, okay. And that's what basically means that our target price will be above the price, so we're kind of bullish on the stock. On this third column right here, what we want to fill out is basically buy or better, okay. And this will be on the analyst recommendations, okay, as you can see. Analyst recommendations and an outlook for a stock market analyst on a stock. We just want to have a buy or better. Okay, where is it? Okay, right here, buy or better. That's what I like to do personally. And like on this sector right here or this column right here, what are we going to be filling are the open slash short, and this is optionable. I mean, if you want to optional trade or something like that, but I sometimes want to leave it as any, okay, but you can go on optionable, shortable, or I don't know. But I sometimes I always put it on any, okay, just like there. Or let's just go with the optionable place, so you can just play all option trades right there. Also, what you want to do in this is to fill out the RSI 14, okay, the relative trend index, and this is the relative trend index. Is a technical an analysis or oscillator showing price strength by comparing upward and downward close to close movements. Okay, so what you want to fill right here is go oversold 40 right here. I sometimes do it. I mean, I sometimes do it around the oversold 30 or 20, but I just do 40 right here. As you already said, that basically means that the relative strength index will basically be comparing the upward and downward close to the close movements, and that will basically say that we will basically see that the stock will be oversold, or this will be another great opportunity for us to buy a stock. That's about it for the RSI. And right here, what we want to do is I personally go and um, trade on the sometimes on the foreign. Uh, then I sometimes go in Euro, but I will just use USA right now, the United States. Then what we want to fill out right here are the candlesticks, and like what I want to put right here is long lower shadow. If you don't know what that is, I will just search it up for you guys. Okay, this is the long lower shadow, just like that. Okay, what this candle indicates us is that the market really wants to push to the upside. As you can see, you have a hammer, and hammer basically, let's just say, hammer candlestick. As you can see, we have a hammer candlestick right here, and it is a confirmation of a price reversal to the upside. And as you see, push it to the upside. So I hope that I kind of explained it right. So we just want to have a long shadow right here, and as you can see from yesterday, the only stock that we have right here is ZBH. Okay, this, and this will be up to you if you want to find and trade these stocks. I mean, okay, so like we can also go on any right here. We also have the same thing, but okay, so like right now I would just go and click on the on trading view and trying to kind of mark up the chart, and let's see if we have a kind of a great opportunity right now. Okay, so as you can see, kind of I opened the trading view right here. We have that, so we are going to be typing ZBH. Okay, um, ZBH, not ZBJ, ZBH. Okay, we have Zimmer Movement Holdings. You can go and launch up the chart. Right now, we are going to be waiting a little bit. Okay, so this is just I have a lot of screeners that you can kind of copy out of my or out of my YouTube channel. Okay, you can go and check them out. I have a lot of them, but yeah, this is just kind of my favorite ones. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. The market is closed, of course. Okay, this is the pre-market video, and when I look at the chart right now, as you can see, if you look at the chart on Finviz, we are we are on a daily chart, and we can also, as you can see, that did something like that. It's something like this. They also have lines from here. If I'm not wrong. No. They have lines from here. They're pushing to the downside, okay. So yeah, and also if you just go and click on the RSI, let me just find it right now. Relative trend index, and as you can see, it is oversold. Okay, it is oversold. That's what it means. As you can see, when it was oversold right here, we had a spike to the upside, and it was kind of overbought right here. And we have when we had it overbought, it did manage to push to the downside. Okay, so I hope it makes sense right now. I personally don't use indicators like that. We can also click on the moving averages right here, but I don't have them at the moment. But okay, screw that. And as you can see, this will be personally a great buy, because for quite a while we have not surpassed this low from December 2020. So yeah, for quite a long time ago. No, yeah, not December 20, but close to like 284 days. We're just gonna convert it up a little bit, okay? Because I cannot calculate that for you guys. I just go with years right here. It's somewhere around like close to a year, 9 months, 1 week, 3 days, and 1 hour. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much close to that low. So I can kind of use it like this. So yeah, I mean, of course, you're gonna be doing a more in depth kind of analysis on the stock. But I personally think that from here it can kind of push to the upside. Okay, so yeah, peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.